Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Signal messages on Android with manual backups, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Signal app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Scroll down and select the Chats option. Look for the Chat Backups section and tap on it. If backups are not yet enabled, you will see an option to enable them. Tap on Enable Backups. You will be prompted to create a passphrase for your backup. Enter a secure passphrase and confirm it. Once your passphrase is set, tap on Create Backup. The backup process will now begin and may take a few moments. Once done, you'll see the backup file location displayed. It is important to note this location for future reference. Now, navigate to your File Manager app. Go to the specified backup location in your device storage. Locate the backup file named with the timestamp and your passphrase. If you wish to transfer this backup, you can copy or move it to another location. Connect your device to a computer using a USB cable if necessary. Paste the backup file to the desired directory on your computer. To restore the backup later, you will need the Signal app installed on the device. Open Signal on your new device or after reinstalling it. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the setup screen. Select Restore Backup and locate the backup file you transferred. Enter the passphrase you created earlier to decrypt the backup. Once entered, your messages will be restored to the Signal app. Confirm that all your messages and media have been successfully restored. Your Signal messages are now backed up securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.